everybody's, I think, has Michael Jordan level talent at something.
Right.
You got to find what that thing
That's
is.
something. I always say
That's
that.
something. Yeah,
Right.
it's something. Like you are the best in the world at something.
So now you've also sat down with a lot of entrepreneurs, leaders in so many different industries. What's kind of the pattern you've seen that works? Like, what can our viewers and listeners take from some of those conversations that you've had?
I think the first is the people who've had success are mission driven, so they want to accomplish something. Money is important, but it's not number one. But it's not number 100 either. It's like it's in your top 5. You have to learn how to make money, but the people who are really hitting it, they don't have money as their number one thing. So if you're just seeing somebody walking in as your next suit or your next car, like you're gonna lose. You have to have a purpose, a mission, something beyond it. But there's a lot of people who are purpose driven, but then never figure out how to make money, and then they've got a hobby forever, right? Like you have to figure out how to make cash doing it.
How would you tell somebody to, like, so you have a hobby, and is it a matter of pushing out content? I mean, coming from the content king himself,
Well, you gotta know what you're good at. What are
Right.
your strengths, right? I mean, you roll in here with your team and live action, and you're bringing the energy, and like this makes sense for you. For somebody who doesn't have your charisma, they might be better at writing. They might be better at just doing an audio-only podcast, right? Like, what are you great at doing? Or maybe it's a service that you provide, or a product that you're going to create, right? Are you an inventor? Everybody's, I think, has Michael Jordan level talent at something.
Right.
You got to find what that thing is.
That's something. I always say
That's
that.
something. Yeah,
Right.
it's something. Like you are the best in the world at something.